Find the variable x in an equation involving factorial and quadratic expressions. Factorial method for expanding x factorial. Arithmetic and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Expand the factorial terms of the equation. This implies that the sum of x minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 2 factorial, all divided by x minus 4 factorial, and x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 1 factorial, all divided by x factorial, equals x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. Simplify. So that the terms x minus 4 factorial and x factorial cancel out. Equate the result to x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. This implies that the sum of x minus 2 times x minus 3 and x plus 1 equals x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. Expand bracket. We have that x squared minus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 6 plus x plus 1 equals x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. Combine like terms and simplify. It follows that the sum of negative 4 times x and 2 times x equals negative 3 minus 7, which equals to negative 10. Hence, negative 2 times x equals negative 10. Divide out by negative 2. We have that x equals negative 10 divided by negative 2, which equals to 5. Therefore, x equals 5.